Da 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 da.
Can you milk a buffalo?
Of course, it's a fat car, aren't they?
Like your girlfriend. I forgave her for cheating on me by letting her have sex with me. But I didn't let her orgasm, so I still win!
I just don't get it, Steve. He's no more a pirate than you.
What's that chick's name?
Heather.
That's a whore's name. So I was watching Ice Dancing on the TV the other day.
Whoa, I didn't think it was possible to out-queer ice skating. But look out, here comes ice dancing.
Hey James, got a gift for you.
You shouldn't buy me things. You should save your money and spend it on unicorn rides or whatever girls spend their money on. The word moist makes me feel sick.
People always steal my ideas. Like penis and vagina sex. My idea. Is it wrong that I've always fancied Lola Bunny? You know, that little cutie from Space Jam.
Did you know teddies and robots are mortal enemies?
Really? Since when?
Since when? Well, it's been a few years now. Help me stab the puppy. Oh, I got it.
James, do you know what I love about you? Oh wait, love's the wrong word.
Do you know what I hate about you?
Ben Russell as Ben Russell, James Lafferty as James Lafferty, Random Girl halfway through, that was Ben Russell. That's what it was, come on. Cameraman 1, James Lafferty, Cameraman 2, Ben Russell. Now enjoy some random dancing. Woo, yeah, I love you Jay, that is me. That's me. Anyway, bye guys. Oh yeah, please subscribe, add our MSNs. I'm not gonna read them because it's got hyphens and things like that. Anyway, can't be doing that. Yeah. Well, that's it. Oh, wait, hey,